Having trouble getting your Tesco Mobile activation code via SMS or email? You're not alone. This often happens due to a few key reasons. First, check for network congestion on O2's network, as SMS delays are common during peak times. Email filters can also mistakenly flag Tesco's emails as spam, especially if you haven't interacted with them much. App-related issues like a full cache can prevent proper code requests. Lastly, double-check that you've entered the correct phone number or email address. These codes are crucial for initial setup, logging in, and security verification using two-factor authentication. Start by thoroughly checking your spam or junk folder in your email. On your phone, ensure the Tesco mobile app has permission to access SMS. Clear the app's cache in your phone's settings to resolve potential glitches. If using email, try enabling less secure app access in your Gmail settings or whitelisting Tesco's domain. Still no luck? Switch to the alternative delivery method, SMS or email within the app. For persistent issues, contact Tesco Mobile support directly at 0344 324 9222 in the UK. A final option is to ensure you have the latest version of the app installed to get the latest fixes and features, such as push notification fallback for OTPs.